Hi. Today we discuss about left recursion and elimination of left recursion. First, what is left recursion? Left recursion in the sense, example, just consider the prediction. If you are having prediction in the form of a tends to a alpha or beta, okay, in any one of here you are having two alternates. A tends to a alpha is the one alternate, okay. Next, a tends to beta is second alternate for a, okay. So in any one of the alternate, the first non-terminal name is same as its prediction name means. Prediction variable name means that is called as left recursion, okay. I will repeat, okay. In prediction in any one of alternate, the first non-terminal name is same as its prediction variable name means that is called as left recursion, okay. So here we are having two alternate, a1 and a2, okay. Here if you are passing this prediction to system means what will happen means, here always your system consider a tends to what? A alpha. Whatever the things are available in prediction, always the system consider, most of the time it consider the first alternate value for the corresponding prediction name, okay. So here a tends to what? A alpha or beta means always a is replaced by its first alternate a alpha, okay. Example, say here a, if you are choosing a means a is replaced by what? A alpha. So again your system will scanning your input from left to right, and that the first one is what? A, okay. So again here the a is a non-terminal, so we have to replace that non-terminal by its prediction a tends to what? Again a alpha. So what will happen? Already we are having alpha, so a is replaced by a alpha means totally we are having a alpha into alpha, so the output is written as a into alpha power 2. Again scan your input from left to right. So what is the first symbol? Here again the first symbol is what? Non-terminal, that is a. Again you have to refer that a, okay. What is a tends to what? A alpha. So again this a is replaced by a alpha, then we are having alpha part 2. So what is the output? A alpha into alpha power 2. So what is the answer? A into alpha power 3, okay. A alpha into alpha power 2, that is a into alpha power 3, okay. Like that here our system will continuously replacing the first symbol, okay. So what will happen? Again replaced by a alpha, so it creates a continuous looping process. Okay. So a power n tends to what? At n step again you may have a into alpha power n, okay. Again you have to replace a by what? A power alpha. So it goes an infinite loop, okay. So this is called as left recursion, okay. So in any one of the alternate, the first symbol name is same as its prediction name means that is left recursion, okay. It leads to infinite loop, okay. So how we have to eliminate it? That is the question mark. How we have to eliminate without affecting actual meaning of the grammar? How can we rewrite it? Okay, so that is called as elimination of left recursion. Just consider, suppose at nth step your computer may choose a by beta means, so what is the output here? A power n plus 1 step we may have beta into alpha power n, okay. So your system producing the output as beta into alpha power n, okay. So here the beta and alpha are terminal. Okay, here beta is a single terminal, but alpha is a set of terminal. Okay, it may generate one or more values. So how we have to write it means, instead of writing alpha power n, we may write one non-terminal here. Okay, so that is called as elimination of left recursion. Okay, so how we have to write it? See, here we are having what? A power n plus 1 comes to what? Beta into alpha power n. Okay, so here instead of writing alpha power n, okay, we can use one non-terminal. Okay, that non-terminal may be a dash. So here I am written a comes to beta into a dash. Okay, here the a dash is used to generate one or more alpha power n. So how we have to write the protection rule for a dash, because a dash may generate one or more alpha n. Okay, so again it may goes to loop. Okay, so how we have to write it means, a dash comes to alpha into a dash. Okay, it's a self loop, alpha into a dash. Okay, so here a dash example, if you want to generate only one alpha, means that time you apply a dash is epsilon. So here the output is what? Only alpha. Suppose if you want to generate 2 alpha, means then write see here, if you want to generate 2 alpha, means a dash comes to alpha a dash. Again a dash is replaced by alpha a dash. Then replace a dash by epsilon. So what's the output? Alpha into alpha. Okay, so like that we may generate. So here the prediction is what? A comes to a alpha or beta. Okay, A is returned by a comes to beta a dash comes to alpha a dash or epsilon. Okay, without affecting actual meaning of the given input. Here we re-return the grammar. Okay, so if you are having a left recursion like this, means you may rewrite your grammar using the rule a comes to beta a dash comes to alpha a dash or epsilon. Okay, so next video we will see example for the elimination of left recursion. Okay.